Notice Candace's networks are displayed in the information pane. If I wanted to hide this information, I would simply click the pencil icon and uncheck the networks checkbox. Let's revisit the rest of the items on the privacy settings page. To do so, hover over Settings and click on Privacy Settings. We already examined the profile privacy settings, but let's take a second look. Notice the visibility of all fields are set to friends only. Now, let's go back to the privacy settings page. Next, I'll click on the search link. This page contains privacy settings relating to who is able to find you using the Facebook search and what information they will see about you. Towards the bottom of the page, there is also a checkbox relating to public search. If this box is checked, then over time you may begin to notice your Facebook profile appearing as a search result in search engines like Google and Yahoo. It is a personal preference on whether or not you choose to keep this setting enabled. Also, don't worry, your privacy settings are still intact. People that find you in search engines will only be able to see what you define in the search result content area. I'm going to opt Candace out of this option. Again, just a personal preference. I'll click Save Changes to make the changes stick. And notice the yellow label at the top indicating the changes have successfully been saved. Moving on, I'm going to navigate back to the privacy settings page. Let's explore privacy settings related to Candace's newsfeed and wall. To do so, I'll click on the corresponding link. The currently selected tab is Actions within Facebook. On this page, you can choose which actions are published on your friends' news feeds and on your wall. For example, let's say on her Facebook profile, Candace has her relationship status set to In a Relationship. Now, sometime down the road, for whatever reason, her relationship ends. Candace wants to change her relationship status to single, but doesn't want her friends to know. To hide this information from getting published on her wall, as well as her friends' news feeds, she can simply uncheck the Remove Relationship Status checkbox. The next tab over is the Social Ads tab. It is up to you if you want to opt into social ads. I won't comment any more on this in this tutorial. Moving on, I'm going to navigate back to the privacy settings page. The last section on privacy that we are going to explore is on what personal information gets passed to applications you use on Facebook. To do so, I'll click the Applications link. A page appears with an overview on how Facebook applications interact with your information. The Settings tab is somewhat hidden, but is located right next to the Overview tab. I'm going to click on it. A page appears that allows you to edit what information Facebook applications can see about you. In most circumstances, the defaults are fine. Just use discretion if and when installing new Facebook applications. Clicking the Cancel button takes me back to the Privacy Settings page. Next, I'll click the Profile button to take me back to Candace's profile. This has been an exploration into the privacy settings offered by Facebook. I'm Paromatic, and thank you for watching.